Google recently dropped its banger product Gemini Omni. It was integrated with Gemini as well. It is one of the best video generation platforms and you can create your AI avatar in just 2 minutes. I will show you how you can do that. You can actually try Gemini Omni in Gemini app as well. If you are using Gemini app already, you can do that directly. So I will show you how you can do that. So here, like, this is a Gemini home screen. You can also find your mobile as well. Just click plus icon. Under more uploads, you will see an option called avatar here. Just click that avatar, and now it will ask us to create a quick selfie video with our voice. I'm just clicking try now. Since I'm doing that in my PC, it will ask me to scan the QR code from mobile, but if you are doing that in your mobile app, it will directly take you to the screen. So let me scan this using my mobile. So now it is taking me to the verification screen. I'm clicking just agree, and I'm clicking allow camera and microphone access. Now it will ask few things to do. 61, 81, 73, 87. After reading the numbers, it is now asking to turn my head because it is capturing all my positions. Done. It just took a minute for me to complete my AI avatar creation, and now it is asking to close this window. And see here, it is also asking to close this window now. Now we are in the Gemini again. My AI avatar has been created, and from now I can refer my AI avatar with @Yaswanth Palaghat, and I'm just clicking use AI avatar. That's it. Now from now I can create images or videos using my AI avatar instantly. So it might be anything. Like if you want to create an image, you mention your ID, like I am mentioning Yaswanth Palaghat, and I will create an image. If I want to create a video and I want to include myself, from now I don't need to add my photo or anything. I can just give it so that it will create an exact video. So this is going to change a lot because AI avatar creation in general require lot of resources and lot of paid subscriptions, but it is creating in just a minute. So this is so cool. Hope you got some useful info from this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more such content on AI. Thank you for watching.